Welcome to our in-depth review of the all-new DJI Neo drone, a groundbreaking addition to DJI's lineup in 2024. This drone promises versatility, portability, and cutting-edge technology at a price point that's hard to ignore. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, the DJI Neo claims to have something for everyone. But is it worth your investment? In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, performance, and any potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision right out of the box. The DJI Neo makes an impression with its compact size and sleek design. Weighing just 135 grams, it falls under the C0 category, making it one of the most lightweight and regulation-friendly drones on the market. Removable propeller guards for added safety during indoor flights, simple button controls on top for autonomous flight modes, which we'll discuss later, a non-expandable 22 gigabytes internal storage, which may limit your ability to record extended footage, and obstacle avoidance sensors, except for downward-facing optical sensors that aid in stability during low-altitude flights. Under €200, the DJI Neo is among the most affordable drones in DJI's portfolio. Its price point positions it as an attractive choice for those just entering the world of drones. DJI advertises an autonomy of 17 minutes per charge, but real-world use often averages closer to 12 to 13 minutes, depending on conditions and whether the propeller guards are attached. While this is slightly below the industry standard, the included triple battery charging hub is a game-changer. The DJI Neo is rated for winds up to 28 kilometers per hour, but its lightweight design can make it vulnerable to strong gusts. During testing, it performed best in calm conditions, especially when using its GPS-assisted positioning and optical sensors for added stability, a 12MP sensor capable of shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. A choice between 4:3 and 16:9 aspect ratios, however. Note that electronic stabilization, EIS, is only available in the 16:9 format, NO support for RAW photography, with JPEG being the only format offered for fans of FPV, first-person view. The DJI Neo pairs with the DJI Goggles N3 for an immersive flight experience. The normal, sport, and manual modes cater to pilots at different skill levels, making it a great tool for learning FPV basics. Limited storage. The fixed 22 gigabytes internal memory can be restrictive for long shoots. Noise levels. The drone produces a high-pitched sound, which may be distracting in quiet environments. Camera sensor. The 1/2.3-inch sensor struggles in low light compared to larger sensors on higher-end models. GPS sensitivity. Signal loss in obstructed areas was noted during testing, a weakness compared to other DJI models. Don't to like, share, subscribe.